Oh my god, I'm such an idiot, you guys. I forgot to do San Jacinto Isles in the last episode. I feel so humiliated. Oh my god. Whatever, I'll do it in this episode. I mean, there's not really all that much I gotta do with Pro Freestyle anyway, might as well, so. I'm also going to be doing the short tracks as well, since there's hardly anything, really that Pro Freestyle has to offer in this game, and for your people's sake, I'm going to use one of the most overpowered bikes in the game. That is the Ravage Talon Black. Anyway, yeah, San Jacinto Isles, it doesn't have green targets, but what can you do about it? Some targets are easy to get here, and others are pretty challenging, so they figured... So I'm guessing that's probably why they skipped on the green targets and just had them be red targets instead. Either that or they had less time to complete this game than, say, NX Unleashed or any of their other subsequent titles. But, yeah. You're gonna be finding yourself preloading for a lot of these targets, so... just... do what you normally do, and just try and get the right line, try and get the... right amount of air, and you're pretty much golden. These last couple of targets are pretty easy, so it makes no difference. As I said, some targets are harder than others. Some targets are as easy as 1, 2, 3. Alright, there's that. Now let's show off the freestyle section. Get them combos busted. Here we go. I really like the volcano effect they did here. It looks really, really nice, and it doesn't seem to be choking up the console too much. Actually, what the hell am I saying? No, I'm playing this on an emulator. Fuck! I miss playing this game on a console. Though, based on past experience, when I did play on this track, on the original PlayStation 2, it didn't choke up the console too much. Like... that's how you know they did a really good job with the smoke effects, if it's not completely slowing the game down and hindering the experience. But yeah, this particular freestyle section, compared to the other freestyle sections that we've been to previously, this one is a lot better to navigate. Because it gives you plenty of time to finish a combo, and you hardly have to worry about wiping out. It's just really, really good. And I can tell the rest of this is going to be a breeze. Oh yeah, look at that. Man, I'm good at this game. Alright, now let's get to the Pro Freestyles. This time we're in Tempe, all the way in bumfuck Arizona. And this particular freestyle environment is actually unique. It's a freestyle motocross environment. It's like set in a much more compact stadium than, say, the Supercross stadiums that we've been to. But you still got pretty much the same assets you find, like, in the other Supercross arenas. Like, you got the skyscrapers, you got the obvious, audience texture that fucking moves around like it's a GIF file. Yeah, I know some of you guys call it GIF, but it's actually called, GIF. In case any of you, idiots didn't realize it. Ugh. I keep messing up getting that target for some reason. I guess maybe I'm not supposed to preload off of this jump. Do it without preloading. There we go. There we go. But, finally got it. Excuse me if I'm burping. I just had dinner. So. If you hear me burping, please excuse me. I'm a rude little piggy. See, I did it again. That's all the targets. And then I ran into the audience. Anyway, time for the red targets. Let's get this over with. I don't see how these targets are much different from the green targets in this particular environment, because I mean, the only real difference I can see is their positions are somewhat raised up more. So you have to like approach it at high speeds and shit. I'm gonna struggle getting a couple of these, so I'm just gonna tilt the camera up. Ah! I knew that was a bad angle. Okay, there we go. Just one more left. Alright. Ugh! Okay, let's try this again. From this jump, there we go. I'm not even gonna bother doing the combo or stunt points for Tempe. I'm just gonna go straight to St. Croix Sound. And get the targets and do the combo challenge. There. Oh fuck. Ah. Alright, that was terrible. I'm doing it again. Okay. Hopefully I get the timing right here. There we go. So far so good. These ones are supposed to be super easy. Also, don't mind the glitchy ass ocean. I'm playing this on an emulator, and as you can clearly tell, it's not perfect. Yep. Oh, crap, I missed that one. I'll just wipe out and reset. There we go. Got a couple of more of these that do a 360. And I don't mean the no-scope kind. There we go. Almost there. Just a little more. I don't know how much time I have left. Holy crap. This rate will be up to 5 minutes. Crap. Didn't take that jump properly. Okay, there we go. Almost got it. Hey, we're up to 5 minutes. Look at that. Woo! Man, I'm good at this game. Alright, red targets. Let's go. We don't got a volcano area. St. Croix Sound, but we do got steeper hills. say, San Jacinto Isle. Alright. Just got the targets that were up top. Now I just need to get the ones on the side, and we're pretty much done. Oh, damn it! Tragic. Fuck! I'm better than this. I'm gonna preload this time. This motherfucking jump is gonna kill me, I swear. I couldn't preload in time. Almost got it. Almost got it. There we go. Ow, that hurt. Gotta do a little more. There. I already set myself up for this one. There we go. There we go. One more left. Let's do this. Oh no! One more for good measure. There we go. Ow! Alright, we've already been to the freestyle section with the red target, so we're just gonna go straight to Nassau. Another freestyle motocross arena. Gonna get the green targets here. Come on, you can do this. Overshot it. I won't give up. I got this. Hey, there we go. Overshot that one too. It was a weird scream my character made. Whatever, I ain't gonna judge. There we go. Only got 3 left. This one. Wow, I got that one from a different angle. I'm so proud of myself. Okay. Crap. Can't get it from that angle. Try it with this. Overshot it! Okay, there we go. Just barely grazed it. Alright, red targets. Wait a second. These are the same as the green targets. What the hell? Oh, give me a break. These are the same as the freaking green targets. Ugh. Ugh. Hello, lazy. Oh crap, I overshot that one. Actually, no, undershot that one, I should say. Pardon me. Ah, crap. Sorry, that was my phone. Don't pay any attention to that, I'll get it later. I just gotta get these last 3 targets. Didn't set myself up right. Damn it! Okay, try that one again. I can't get it from that angle. That's just all there is to it. I can't get it from that angle. Or maybe I can. Holy shit. Okay, never mind. There we go. Alright, that's all the targets. Now let's go to Wheeler Junction, which has just about the most boringest environment in the game. I mean, it's only saving grace is that it has a couple of tornadoes splayed across the map, but you can't see them because of the emulator. At least I don't think you can see them. I haven't come across them yet. But, yeah. These green targets are pretty easy to get, provided you're going fast enough. That was terrible. I'm going to wipe myself out over there. Reset. Almost there. Oh, wait a sec. Yes, you can see the tornadoes. Ugh. I guess they were just too far away for me to see. But, yeah. Wheeler Junction has just about the most boringest environment in the game, but as soon as you come across tornadoes, you will see what exactly distinguishes this environment from all the other environments in the game. Gotta get these last couple of targets. There we go. Almost there. Alright. That'll be all. I know what you're thinking. These might be, once again, similar to the green targets, but you would be mistaken. Because you see, these ones are a lot less sporadic. They're actually placed in the middle of the freestyle area, rather than at the bases of the jump. Ah, crap. There we go. I can't imagine that getting these particular red targets is probably a bitch on slower bikes. Then again, I am using pretty much the most overpowered bike in the game, so I'm pretty much making this look easy. There we go. All the red targets. But I'm still going to show off the rest of the stage, because this isn't like a tiny ass island like St. Croix Sound or a compact freestyle motocross arena like Tempe and Nassau. Just gonna show off the more open areas of Wheeler Junction, maybe even go inside some of the tents and all that. I'm not gonna complete the challenge, obviously. I'm not even intending on completing the challenge. But one thing that I do like about the freestyle section in Wheeler Junction is that it gives you enough airtime to bust a couple of combos and finish the combo challenge. So all in all, I think it's alright. I think it's Certainly one of the more better designed freestyle sections in the game. I'm not gonna go chasing any tornadoes, unfortunately, because they're just way too fast, and even if you do manage to catch up to one of them, nothing is really gonna happen. At least not from what I remember. Damn it! Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to complete this challenge. If I'm just gonna keep wiping out like this while doing combos. Oh well. I think I've covered enough ground here. We're already at the edge of the map. I failed. Ugh, whoop-de-doo. Now let's go to Crescent Hills. Which, I don't know where the fuck this place is. I've looked it up on Google Maps and all I'm getting is Crescent Hills Country Club, Crescent Hills Bar and Grill, all of that. There's no freaking city named Crescent Hills that I can find. I don't know where the hell Crescent Hills is supposed to be. Like, is it like a made-up city or something, or is that like a nickname for where Rainbow Studios is located? I don't know. I don't know. It's really, it's complicated. It's complicated. Okay. Thankfully, though, these green targets are pretty easy to get. Not too sure about the red targets, though. At least it's not like Nassau, where the green targets are repeated again. Okay. Again, I'm burping. Please excuse me, ladies and gents, gents without sense. I'm being such a rude jerk today. I can't help it. Alright. If that's how it's gonna be. Here we go. These red targets are tough here. Like, holy shit. They're not struggling as much as with the previous red targets, but these red targets are pretty freaking tough. Like, damn. Alright, there we go. Got it from a different angle. Now I just gotta get these last two, and we're all set. There we go. Just one more. And it is dead center of the map. Don't know how I'm gonna get that one. Alright. This was easier than I thought. Now then, let's go to Vancouver Ridge, which is a pretty unique environment with a really, really good environmental design. Like, this is easily one of the most prettiest looking environments of the game. There's a lot of freaking eye candy. The freestyle section is kind of bizarre, honestly. Like, got all the fog lights. I'm not really sure what the point of those is supposed to be, nor what the point of these craters are. Fuck, I'm getting my words mixed up. Like, I don't know the point of these craters either. I'm guessing that this resort... Yeah, I already know it's a resort, so... we can clear that up. I'm pretty sure that this resort also caters to motocross enthusiasts, so I'm guessing that's probably why this is here. Okay. There we go. These targets are pretty easy to get. Hey, come on, come on. Ah! Damn it. This is bull crap. I'm just gonna get this last one, get it over with. There we go! Yeah, we got red targets. You might be led to believe that this is the same as the green targets, but, no, it's not. Because the red targets are positioned exactly at the jumps. So you have to, like, go for the previous jump, before it in order to get to the targets that are on top of them. Like, directly, like, right, hanging right above them. Some of these targets can be a bitch to get to, but given the layout of this particular freestyle section, that's not an issue. Ah, messed that one up. Let's try it again. I'm gonna wipe out. Damn it! Okay, try one more time. There we go. Ah, fuck. One more try. Because I'm running out of time here. I only got like 1 minute and 5 seconds left. I know I get a time extension with every target I collect, but you know how this game is. Ah, crap, I could have gotten that from a different angle, never mind. Ah! Damn it! Okay. Hopefully I'm getting this right. There we go. That's all the red targets collected. Now, let's show off the rest of this environment. Fuck the objective. I just want to have a look at the rest of this environment. Because, as I said, this is easily the prettiest environment in the game. Ugh. Right next to Arlington Stream and Palisades Basin. Alright, we got the skating rink, got the parking lot. Now let's head up to the ski resort. Well, I drive up this winding road like it's fucking Initial D. Actually, the ski resort can wait. I'm just gonna go downhill here. Do an air Hodzaka jump onto the skating rink. As I said, when it comes to environments, this place pretty much takes the cake. It's just that good. Alright, here we are at the ski lodge. Now let's go down this big ass jump. Y'all see this coming? Y'all seen the thumbnail? Here we go! Oh man, look at this sick ass combo. Oh. 20,000 out of that. Woo! Okay. Fuck the activity. Now we're gonna proceed on to the short tracks. Because I haven't done these yet. Do a short track at Rockbridge Park. Just to cap off the end of the series. There's about 3 short tracks in this game. We got the one over here in Rockbridge Park. Then there's another up in Caribou Peak. And then one final one, which you unlock through the cheat code in San Jacinto Isle. But as you can see, I am kicking utter ass. So, yep. That is pretty much it for the Rockbridge Park short track. Let's go to Caribou Peak. Which is run entirely on ice. It's freaking ATV on ice up in here. I'm missing the snow effects though. I guess it's not snowing up in Caribou Peak today. Alright, last one. San Jacinto Isles. And already we are hearing the monkey being an annoying shithead. What can you do about it? This that spot is really hard to get through. Like, you hardly ever see those swivels coming. Like, they just come out of nowhere. You can't even see them. That's why you gotta usually take it slow here. Because if you try to cut the corners, you might end up slamming into a tree or getting an out of bounds penalty. You can't risk that. Anyway, that's it for the game, finally. That's it for the series that nobody watches. So, yeah. I'm Flynn of Daxter5150, and I'm out. Peace.